Hey guys, it's your boy Roman here again with another video, and this week I have something like phenomenal, mind-blowing, wonderful, amazing for you guys. I will be using Spanish to pick up girls. So I'll talk no English, I'll pretend as if I don't know a word in English, or maybe I know a few things, but the principal aim of this is to use Spanish and see how much reaction I get, or maybe I should say to see how girls react to me trying to pick them up using Spanish or something of the sort. I don't know. We'll figure out what the title of the video will be. So that's it, guys. Oh yeah, I'll be using the Monkey app. I've seen quite a few YouTubers use it. I think it's fun. I think it's cool. Hey, but let's see. All right. So it is definitely live. All right. By the way, I don't even know how this works, so I'm just trying it. Yeah, it's actually my first time with this app and stuff, so I have no idea how it works. So if a few things go wrong, y'all will see with me. Well, apparently I can't decide to talk only to girls. I have to just go in a general chat for everyone because I need banana points. But let's get into it. Alright, well, trust me, I'm really excited to see what direction I'll get. Hola, hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo? No te entiendo. ¿Qué coño? Wow. Wow. Alright, so that was just some racist shit. Maybe I should have like shaved and stuff, but I didn't. I was just like, hey, let's just go into this and jump into this thing. What are we getting? Yeah. Yeah. He. No, coño. No quiero los chicos. No boys, no boys. Hola, ¿qué tal? Qué bonita. Qué bonita eres. Qué guapa. ¿Cómo estás? Dame tiempo, chica, dame tiempo. Qué bien. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te... So, why is that she... Hola, ¿qué tal? Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Por qué no te muestres? Es que eres fea. Oh, es un chico. Oh, okay, wow, that was crazy. Oye, ¿qué tal? Oh, él es de África. Oye, pásame.
You are fine as hell.
¿Qué?
Yeah.
Gracias. Well, hold on, let me stop this guy. Boy, you fine, oh damn. I was not expecting that. So far it's fun. It's much more fun than I thought it would have been. But I think Spanish is maybe a bad option because most persons here are familiar with English. So I think maybe it would have been better if I had said something in English. Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Eres chica? ¿Eres una chica? ¿Eres chica? ¿Tú? ¿Chica? Oh, no me... Dame tiempo. I wasn't sure that what the profile. Hold on, the profile said, "Oh, hola, ¿qué tal? Eres una niña." Ay, Dios mío. ¿Qué coño? Oh. Alright, so I'm skipping her. So I skipped her so I could talk a little bit. So the person before, the profile said male, said he. But then when it logged on, I think that was a female. But I'm not sure if it was like dress up makeup. You know, some persons, based on their features, they could pass for both. Hey, you know what? Not my problem. Let's move on. But that little girl there, ooh la 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 la. Oof. Hola, hola. ¿Qué tal? Así, ¿cómo? No te entiendo. No hablo inglés. Yo Yo no inglés. No inglés. Well, they're saying follow back. Of course I understood them. Follow back. Hola, ¿qué tal? Hola, ¿qué tal, chicas? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Hola, hola. I have no idea what that was about. I'll keep this up for a few more minutes and then I stop, I think. I don't know, it feels a little bit addictive. It feels really cool. I like it. I like the feedback. I like the attention. I like the attention. Hola, ¿qué tal? Ah, ¿cómo estás?
I cannot hear you.
No puedes escucharme, ¿no? Ay, Dios, pero tú, muy bonita tú. Ay, why can't she hear me? Qué extraño. Hola, ¿qué tal? Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estás?
Hello, what's up, man?
Estoy bien, chica. ¿Y tú? ¿Qué tal? Estoy bien. Oh, guys, this is not working out. I'm supposed to be getting girls. But I need to get at least one girl's number. Yeah, but why are these girls talking to me? Am I ugly? Do I need to cry? Ooh. Hola, ¿qué tal? Hola.
Hey,
¿Cómo estás?
what's up?
Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú cómo estás?
Yeah?
Sí, estoy
I can
bien.
hear you.
¿No me entiendes? O no sé por qué.
I can hear you.
Sí, ¿me escuchas? Sí. Ah. Hola, ¿qué tal? Ah, cantas. Chica, qué bueno. Ah, dame tiempo. Dámelo. Ay, mamacita. Here, on you don't have your.
Huh?
You in toilet. You in toilet. I don't know. I've lost my words. Hola, ¿qué tal? Muéstrate. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Estás bien? ¿Sí? I don't know. Why do you unblock your camera if you won't talk? Ooh. Hola, ¿cómo están? ¿Están bien? ¡Hola, la! ¡Qué bonitas! Sí, ¿qué hay? Dame tiempo. Alright, so hey guys, again, so that ends today's video. It didn't turn out the way I wanted it to because I wanted to use Spanish to see if I could get some girls, and I don't mean that in any objectifying way, by the way. I just want to see if I could talk to some girls in Spanish and maybe get their numbers and so forth. That's the mild way to say it. However, they didn't understand me. We didn't even get to the stage of exchanging names and so forth. It was definitely challenging, but I will maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll try it again, maybe I'll do some more, but if not, I think that will be it for today. What else am I forgetting? Yeah, in general, guys, I think it's a pretty cool app. It's good to meet people, strangers. I, for one, love talking to random people, love talking to strangers, love exchanging culture. It could be dangerous, or rather it can be dangerous, but once you exercise needs necessary safety or something like that, should be fine. But with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was something new that I tried, and I hope you guys really liked it. If you have anything else you'd like me to do, let me know. If you'd like for me to use the app again, let me know. If you want me to change languages from Spanish to French to Creole to something, whatever that you guys want to, simply leave it in the comment section below. Whatever you guys want to see me do, I am up for the challenge. So that's it, guys. It's a pleasure. Peace out and ciao ciao. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Estás bien? Konnichiwa. Genki desu ka? O namae wa nan desu ka?